In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to partial close Ctrader. By the end, you'll know exactly how to reduce the size of an open position while keeping the rest running, which is a great way to lock in profit or reduce risk without exiting completely. First, open Ctrader and log in with your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection and that you're using the latest version of the platform, whether it's the desktop app or the web version, so everything looks familiar and works smoothly. Once you're in, open the chart for the instrument you're trading. This helps you stay oriented and see price action as you manage the position. Partial closing only applies to trades that are already open, so confirm you've actually got an active position on that symbol. Now look down at the bottom panel and click on the Positions tab. This area lists all your open trades, including the symbol, direction, entry price, volume, and unrealized profit or loss. If you don't see it, expand the bottom pane or switch tabs until Positions is visible. Take a moment to scan the list so you don't accidentally adjust the wrong trade. Click the trade you want to modify. You'll usually see it highlight or expand with more details. Double check the symbol and the current volume or lot size so you're certain you're selecting the right ticket, especially if you're running multiple positions on the same instrument. Click Close. This opens the closed position window. Here's where the partial part happens. Instead of closing the entire volume, adjust the quantity or volume field to the exact portion you want to close. For example, if your position is 1 point or a lot and you want to close half, change the volume to 0.5e. Confirm the numbers carefully. Setting the full volume will close the entire position, while a smaller number will close just that portion and leave the rest open. When you're ready, confirm the action by clicking the Close button in the dialog. After the confirmation, look back at the Positions tab. You should see that your position's volume has decreased by the amount you closed, and any realized profit or loss from that portion will move to your account balance. Your remaining position stays active with the adjusted size, and any stop loss or take profit settings typically remain on the reduced position. Review them to ensure they still match your plan. That's it. Practice this on a demo account if you're new to it, and always double check the volume before confirming so you only close exactly what you intend.